Hello everyone and welcome back to the Animal Sciences channel. In this video we will learn how to export data as CSV file from R. Before starting this video I want to let you know that the codes used in this video can be downloaded using the link provided in the description. In previous video we have created a data set. In this video I will use the same code to regenerate data. So I will select the lines of code from 3 to 20 to create the same data set. So run this code. Data 1 is created now. To view this data, we will type view data 1. So now we will see how we can export this data as a CSV file. In our data can be exported as CSV file using write.csv function. To get help on the use of write.csv function, type a question mark before this function. As you run this code, the documentation on the usage of this function will be opened in the help tab. The syntax of this function looks like this. Here X stands for an object which might be a matrix or data frame. File is for the name of file or path where you wanna save it. So here type data 1, which is data frame we want to export, and then give the name animal data.csv to this file. As you run the code, the file will be saved in your current working directory. To know the location of your current working directory, type getwd function and run it. You can also change the location of your current working directory to a new folder by watching my earlier video on this topic using the link provided in the description. It's always best to use R by creating a project, as all of your files will be saved in the project folder. The link to the video on creating project is also provided in the description. Okay, so now I will open the file which we just exported into Excel to see how it looks like. In this file, R exported an extra column which actually shows row numbers. If you don't want to include row numbers while exporting the data, then you have to add an extra argument, rownames equal to false. Now R will overwrite the file animal data. You can open the file and confirm that this time R didn't create an extra column of row names. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it and subscribe to this channel.